Good day mga kanumero. At this time, we will have now another example when it comes to trigonometry. But at this time, the concept of the problem is based on the relationship between angle of depression and elevation. So let us read the problem first. A man finds the angle of elevation of the top of the tower to be 30 degrees. He walks 85 meters nearer to the tower and finds its angle of elevation to be 60 degrees. Question: what is the height of the tower? Okay, so to start with, we will just analyze first the problem and draw some illustrations in order for us to analyze really what is being asked. Okay, now if this is the tower, okay, and this is the top, it was stipulated that there is from this point to the top of the tower there is a 30 degrees angle. Okay, now it also stated on the problem that a man walks 85 meters to the tower. So from here up to here, this might be the 85 meters that it was stated in the problem. But there is a corresponding angle from this one up to here that this is 60 degrees. Okay? Now, the question is, what is the height of the tower? So from here, this might be the missing link or the one that we are looking. Okay? Let us assume the sides of this triangle as C. Okay? This is just an assumption of a variable. Okay? So if this is 30, this is also 30 degrees. Same with this as 30 degrees. Okay? So, klaro na po. What we're going to do now to start is looking on the figures. Solution. Okay, now, trying to figure out this illustration, we need to have the value of our h is equal to C is 1 sine of 30 degrees. So this could be our equation 1. Okay? But we do not yet know what is really the value of C. So, let us try to solve first our C. Okay? So, by this, we have C is 1 over sine of 120 degrees. It seems that this is the interior value of the angle, which is 180. So 30, 30, and 120 degrees is equal to our 85, this one, over sine of 30 degrees. So therefore, we can now find the value of our C, which is 147.22 meters. Okay? Now, we already have the value of C. We just simply substitute this one to our equation 1. Okay? So, H is equal to C sine of 30 degrees, in which our C is 147.22 sine of 30 degrees. So therefore, our h now, or the height of the tower, is equivalent to 73.61 meters. So this is now our final answer. So that's it mga kanumero. Follow, like, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you and God bless.